Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today, we're looking at the latest addition to the G-Squad family of G-Shocks, the GBD-H1000, that is in many ways the culmination of smart technology when it comes to G-Shocks. Many have thought of this watch as a replacement for the GPR-B Rangeman, but it is not, although they share many design cues, including the amazing screen that on this, to me at least, looks even better and more responsive. But that might be just my mind playing tricks on me, since it's been a while since the last time I played with the Rangeman. Even Casio clearly separates this from the Rangeman, that is part of the Master of G series, by placing this into the G-Squad lineup. G-Squad models were some of the first G-Shocks to use Bluetooth in order to receive and send data to the phone. But this watch is much more capable than its GBA and GBD brethren, as it kind of blends a little bit of every G-Shock technology so far. So it has everything the GBD and GBA models have, using Bluetooth for setting the time and different functions, and sending step counter data to the phone. But it goes further by using a heart rate monitor and GPS capability to track your running and bike runs. The inclusion of the heart rate monitor means you can keep track of your workout intensity and makes it a much more serious tool. Just like most of the G-Squad models, the countdown timer is configured with interval training in mind. So you have 5 independently settable timers that automatically start after each other with up to 20 repetitions. The other G-Shock goodies are here too, so a world time function, 4 alarms, and a 100-hour stopwatch. Where it leaves the G-Squad family and joins the Rangeman is the GPS, although not as capable as that of the Rangeman, and sensor capabilities. So it has the same ABC package, meaning it comes with an altimeter, barometer, compass, and thermometer. Despite having all these and being very similar in design to the Rangeman, it is very different, and you can clearly see it was designed for the gym and city usage, as it lacks true GPS navigation of the Rangeman and also doesn't have the usual outdoor functions like sunrise and sunset data. It is also in a much lower price bracket, with a retail price of $399, while the Rangeman goes for $1,000. But that is down to the materials used, as this has a mineral crystal, a regular urethane band, and resin buttons, whereas the Rangeman comes with a sapphire crystal, carbon fiber insert band, and metal buttons. Also, this has a regular steel caseback with contact pads for charging, while the Rangeman comes with a ceramic caseback that not only looks cool, but also allows for wireless charging. Now, before you start thinking this stands no chance against Rangeman, hold on, as this also borrows some tech from the first Bluetooth G-Shocks, the now almost forgotten 5600 and 6900 models. So it comes with a vibration alert and also can display notifications from your phone, something missing on the Rangeman. So again, Casio has given us a watch that almost has everything, but not quite, again making us decide what our priorities are. If you want a true outdoors watch, I would go for the Rangeman, as its navigation and sunrise-sunset data are more suitable. If, however, you want an activity tracker or something to accompany you in the urban jungle and gym, this is much more suited. Now you might wonder how this compares to regular and established smartwatches and activity trackers. Well, it lacks in some areas compared to those, while it has some additional features those watches don't have. However, the biggest advantage of any smart G-Shock over the usual smartwatch offering is that at the end of the day, you're still wearing a G-Shock, an incredibly tough watch that is 200 meters water resistant, resistant to shock, dust, and vibration, and in most cases, self-sustained, as this thing is also solar powered, meaning you don't have another gadget that requires you to remember to charge it every day. Yes, using the GPS and heart rate monitor every day all day will require you to charge it via the USB. But if you use them reasonably often, the solar power will be enough to keep this watch charged. And that is the reason I would still choose this over any other smartwatch if I ever decide to get into that world. For now, however, my regular G-Shocks still excite me when I put them on the wrist, as they're kinda timeless. While this, I'm afraid will probably be outdated within 2 years. Well, that completes this week's video, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video,